Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 3 hours, everything has made a turn. Everything has turned positive, and specifically Dogecoin is leading the chart with a 5.5% return. Hopefully you guys were able to buy this dip, and you can also see the trading volume has taken a significant dump, but it is going to be making a recovery very quickly, because if you can see, there is the price drop, but the recovery is even quicker as we use the support around that zone. Now also the open interest is slowly starting to make a consistent recovery, and whales are buying in. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Just keep in mind, social engagement is going to get a lot of whales excited. When the whales get excited, more buying in comes in, the spiking gets bigger, and all of us make a lot of profit. One thing I do want to mention, which is extremely important, is you guys need to keep paying attention to the trading volume. The trading volume is close to 2.3 billion, but if we pay attention to the actual open interest, you can see it's 1.3 billion. Now 1.3 billion, but 500 million of that is actually coming from Binance alone. And if you talk about the liquidation, let's just say a lot of people who are holding on to those sell positions must have been liquidated today, because the liquidations was close to 9.2 million. Now at the same time, the long and the short positions, you can see that the longs are becoming a little bit more distinguished. As you can see, from 74, now 75% are long positions. Now if you guys did miss buying the dip and you want to leverage trade, the best platform to do it on would be Margex. If you have never heard of this platform, well, you can get up to 100x leverage. Now keep in mind, do it at your own risk, because leverage trading is not for everyone. You simply need to make an account, and if you deposit your first $100, you will also get a $100 bonus, which will cover your first fees. You simply just need to pick Dogecoin, simply buy your number, and it will be a 25x. You just need to click buy, and it will be on. The trade will be going. If you do want to do so, the link will be in the description. Now at this time, I just want to show you guys something interesting. The price dropped to 18 cents in the market dip. Less interest in the futures and big players cashing out suggests it's time to make some profit. Now this is really interesting, because you guys see there are some negative things that were coming out towards Dogecoin. More people were talking about how Dogecoin right now is not the perfect buy. You simply need to go to other things. Well, let's just say a lot of whales do not agree with you, because you can see 75% are holding on to their long position. Also, these whales, you can see this is one of the whales which I have been paying attention to for a very long period of time, and you can see that every single day they're still purchasing quite a significant chunk of Doge, about $2 million every single day. So they definitely know something, as their average buy will come down quite much. I do want to also show you guys something interesting, which is you can see this recovery actually returned from about 17.5 cents, which was a previous support that we had before. You can see 17.5, and this has been a really important support zone in the previous zone. Now if you look at the overall picture of Dogecoin, you can see that we're still in a really strong uptrend. If we just get rid of the middle person, you can see that we're still climbing the uptrend, and the uptrend is not going to be slowing down, as the whole community is still trying to push the price all the way to $1. One thing I do want to mention, which is extremely important, is I always say this, but I feel like some people don't understand. You need to pay attention, because if the whole community comes together to, promote something in our overall trend, that's going to happen. It's going to come true. What I'm trying to say is, a lot of people in the community are saying $1 seems way too far-fetched, but if everyone comes together to say that Doge is going to be hitting $1, trust me, it will be a lot easier than you actually think. I do want to mention something interesting. If we talk about the trading volume right now, it is down 30%, but trust me, in the next 24 hours when I make my next video, it will be a complete different story. But if for Dogecoin to hit $1, the market cap would have to be 143 billion, which does seem far-fetched because 143 billion, it would actually overtake USDT. Now that would be a little hard, but you need to also understand if Doge hits those numbers, everything else will be climbing really quickly as well. I mean, Solana is a good example. It went from down all the way to 15 billion to 84 billion in such a short time, and Doge can definitely recreate that same scenario. Now Doge price, Doge whales accumulate 200 million coins. What's next? Well, just keep in mind 18 cents was the barrier or the support zone that everyone was waiting for. A lot of buying in came in from the whales, and what happens next? Well, the price is going to start climbing really fast. At the same time, if we look at the Google Trends, you can see it's slowly starting to even out, and maybe very soon when the price, more people are talking about Dogecoin, the price action will start going up with the Google Trends, as more people will be searching for it, more people will be trying to simply make profit with it. Now, another thing which I feel like a lot of people missed out on the video which I posted yesterday is COINBASE, who did not actually do the futures. Now, if you do not know, they were supposed to release the futures for Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash on the 1st of April. Now, Dogecoin was also supposed to be released on the 1st of April, but that did get changed as Dogecoin futures will be going live on the 29th of April. This is one of the driving factors of Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, as the price is still climbing, but when it comes to Dogecoin, the price did not see the same results. Now, Dogecoin is bullish. Hopefully it happens again. The price action will definitely make it to $1. If we're able to see some burning event, that's going to be a really good factor. And this is another whale which should give you perspective. They sold $42 million worth of Doge on 21 cents, but you can see when the price dropped back, $42 million worth, 20 million, 13 million. That's close to $70 million worth of Dogecoin purchased at the price of 17 cents. Now, ancient Dogecoin whale is finally awake. Now, if you guys remember that wallet that became active, now it is starting to do more and more transactions. 600,000 were taken out today, and let's just say currently it is valued at 25 billion, which is talking about Dogecoin, and when this person bought it, it was much lower. In Doge, we trust. The wild ride of the original meme coin is starting to take a really big deal, because this was also posted on some big news articles. Now, we have been told the way Doge is going, Doge will be leading the meme coin industry, and at the same time will be pushing the bull market for crypto very soon. If it decides to go up really quickly, more people will start talking about crypto in general, and the whole market will also start seeing a really good pump. Crypto market sell-off likely to extend further as Bitcoin stumbles. I mean, the simple answer is you can see Bitcoin is starting to climb back up with the 67k already retraced, and now we have more upside potential coming in very soon. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. I'm out. Peace.